Hey there. If you're thinking about selling your home in Arizona, it doesn't have to be stressful. Whether it needs work, you're on a tight timeline, or you just want an easier way, we make it simple. No repairs, no fees, no pressure. I'm Matthew Williams with We Buy Houses Arizona. We're local, and for over 25 years, we've helped Arizona homeowners sell quickly and stress-free. Here's how it works. Step 1, fill out the short form. It takes about a minute. Your info is private and never shared. Step 2, we review your property, find your best options, and send your highest possible cash offer, selling as is, with zero commissions, no repairs, no cleaning. Step 3, love our offer? You pick the closing date. We handle everything with a trusted local title company and keep you updated every step of the way until you get your cash. 3 simple steps from form to funds. We're A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau and have hundreds of 5-star reviews from Arizona homeowners who trusted us to deliver exactly what we promised. Just last month, we helped a Mesa family close in 9 days from start to finish. Fill out the form now. It's free, there's no obligation, and in many cases, you can have your offer today and be one step closer to selling your home on your terms. It's that simple.
If you want to sell a house and you want to sell it fast, call We Buy Houses Arizona.